You know there are such things as positive and negative numbers, called integers. Negative numbers can also be the base of an exponent. So for example, you could have negative 3 squared or negative 5 cubed. And just like with a positive base, negative 3 squared means negative 3 times negative 3, twice. And negative 5 cubed means negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5, 3 times. Now, if you remember the rules for multiplying integers, you know that if the signs are the same, the answer is going to be positive. So negative 3 times negative 3 is going to be positive 9. But if the signs are different, then the answer is going to be negative. So negative 5 times negative 5 is going to be positive 25. But 25 times negative 5, now the signs are different, so it's going to be negative 125. So the rules for exponents with a negative base then are as follows. If the exponent is an even number, like 2 or 4 or 6, then the answer will be positive, as in negative 3 squared. If the exponent is an odd number, as in negative 5 cubed, then the answer is going to be negative. So just one last thing before I move on. You'll notice that the negative base numbers that I've been writing are all in parentheses. So I have negative 3 squared. Okay, so this and this do not mean the same thing. So here's what I mean. This number on the top, this is the number negative 3 squared. So it means negative 3 times negative 3, which is positive 9. On the bottom, however, what this means is minus 3 squared. So it means minus 3 times 3. 3 times 3 minus 3 times 3 is minus 9. So be careful whenever you're using a negative base with an exponent, especially when you're using a calculator. Make sure you enter the values into the calculator correctly, including the brackets, or it'll give you the wrong answer. The base could be a negative number, and an exponent can also be a negative number. And a negative exponent is a reciprocal, so it's like a flipped fraction. For example, if we have 3 squared, it means 3 times 3, which is 9. If we have 3 to the power of negative 2, it means 1 over 3 times 3, or 1 over 9. So here are a couple more special cases with exponents. First of all, any number to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 46 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 3,279 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Doesn't matter. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Also, any number to the power of 1 is equal to itself. So 23 to the power of 1 is equal to 23. And 76 to the power of 1 is equal to 76.